keep doing something.
That doesn't always come from motivation. Often, it comes from prediction. The mind is constantly forecasting what keeps us intact. And if effort once prevented things from falling apart, the prediction sticks. Effort must continue. So when activity stops, the mind doesn't feel relief. It feels uncertainty. Not because life lost meaning, but because the prediction hasn't updated yet. There's a quiet misunderstanding about effort. We often assume effort is meant to impress, to be visible, to eventually be rewarded. But much human effort isn't about being seen. It's about staying intact, inside conditions that are not kind. Some people aren't building something to show, they are building inner structures. So today doesn't collapse them. That kind of effort often goes unnoticed, not because it's small, but because it doesn't perform well. When you live in environments where safety depended on functioning, being questioned can feel threatening, even gently. Not because you are unsure of yourself, but because effort once had consequences. The system learns,
If what I'm doing isn't recognized, it might not be enough to keep things stable.
so you explain, clarify, justify, not to convince others, but to prevent things from falling apart. The exhaustion doesn't come from the work itself, it comes from needing proof that the work counts. There's a particular loneliness in making progress that doesn't look like progress to the people closest to you. You might still be learning, still regulating, still creating internal stability. Sometimes strangers recognize it before familiar faces do. Not because it's more important, but because recognition often depends on shared language. Some forms of work are simply easier to see from the outside. Not all effort is meant to convert into approval. Some effort exists to keep you human. Stability isn't always loud. Resilience doesn't always look confident. And coping isn't a lack of ambition. What looks like stagnation from far away can be careful preservation up close. If what you are building doesn't look convincing yet, it doesn't mean it's empty. Some structures are internal before they are visible. And sometimes the real work isn't proving your worth, but learning that worth doesn't disappear just because it hasn't been acknowledged.